This is the letter B. Big B, little b. Lots of words begin with the letter B. Baseball, bunny, butterfly, button, banana. What else begins with the letter B? B is for... That's right, bear. What is a bear? Bears are big furry animals that love to eat. They can be found in forests and mountains. Let's look at some bears. Bears have sharp claws and come in different colors like black, brown, and white. Let's draw a bear. You need paper, black marker, and a tool to make color. Here's some bear inspiration. You made a bear. Very good job. Remember, bear is for B. Thank you for joining us.